So I've got this running path here, right? And it's so awesome. It goes up here and up a hill and down another hill. It goes way over there to another island and up another hill and down a hill and through some beautiful scenery. Oh, it's like the best running trail I've ever had. All right, it's the only running trail I've ever had. But still, it's pretty awesome. And I need to do some surgery on it. All right, if we start going down this way, all right, speed it up, speed it up. It's a running trail, not a walking trail. Right, it's just hard to keep the camera steady. Not going that way, we're gonna go this way. Now this part of the running trail is right next to the ocean, and this is all doing great. Nice and wide, good solid ground, beautiful, but then we keep going. There's a boat in the way, that's all right, I can move that. And then we get to over here though, we got water right there. There's like mangroves right over here. When the tide comes in, the water needs to get from there to the mangroves. And it also brings stupid bottles and I don't know, anyway. And it's been dragging out dirt from here. This is the spot with the worst situation, the worst little cave-ins and stuff. Because this fills up until, not a lot, but it definitely fills with water a little bit. So I'm gonna put a pipe, I'm gonna dig out a trench through here so water can get from over there to in here and back without having to run through the dirt. I did put a couple other pipes like way over there for the same reason, and that whole section is looking good. It's just this spot right here. Oh man, you can see like even like way over here there's holes there, and this is caving in, there's holes there. Even here it's caving in, there's another spot because the water doesn't know where to go, so it's just going through a whole bunch of different spots. And I think this is the last part where it's kind of like blah. After this, it's all good down there. And look at that, oh, little caves under there. Geez, maybe I should put the pipe here. No, I think this is the worst spot. I think this is the water's preferential spot going right through here. So yeah, I'm gonna put the pipe right in. And then once I get the pipe in, I can get a bunch more wheelbarrows of dirt and like fill in, just make the whole path wider so it makes it harder for the water to go anywhere other than through this pipe. All right, shut up and get to digging. Let's see. I guess, yeah, right where the pipe is. Great, I'm hitting some roots already. Nice. Oh, so sloppy. I don't want to waste a good machete on this, so I have this one. The handle rusted off at some point, so I just have a fake cardboard handle. Where was this? Oh, great. Oh, right there. Mmm. If this was like 3 inches lower, I wouldn't have to cut it out. Oh, come on. What are you hitting? Ugh. Oh, come on. This is one of those jobs where people say, I want to live off grid, homestead, it's so beautiful. And then they get to one of these jobs and they're like, never mind. How do you figure out who's serious and who's just kidding? I got 10 wheelbarrows of dirt on here, and here and over there, filled in a bunch of holes, and that is looking excellent. Not much water flow right now. I think we're right around a slack tide at the moment. Looks good though. Now I can put more dirt, widen the path, making a nice running trail where like all my kids can run at the same time with me. Oh, that'd be great. Right now it's a little bit, there are a bunch of bottlenecks like this.